First fish of the day. It's a speck. At least it ain't no shark or no catfish. Way to go, Don T.
Thank you, buddy.
Third day. Third day, folks, out here at Cocodrie, Louisiana. First 2 days was shark fishing, I guess. Today, we hope to catch some reds to show you.
11 inches, Doug. 11 inches. It needs to be 12, right?
Yeah, it needs to be 12. So, that's a speck, but it wasn't a keeper. What you got, Don T?
I got a speck. A little bit better speck.
Keeper, maybe.
Got a red.
A red. It ain't a keeper.
Yeah,
Pretty red.
That's red.
Pretty looking red. Alright, folks, I gave him all the opportunity in the world to catch a keeper before I start fishing.
13 inches. Get you some of that.
It's not as big as that last night hook, Don. Be a keeper.
I think that's a keeper.
Nah, I don't know. Settle down, big boy. I had your mama hooked a minute ago. Don T's hooked up. We got a double. He lost it. Measure him, Don.
Almost 15.
Dang. Hey, you gotta get the camera fixed for me, Don. GoPro, start recording. Caught something that he looks so tore up. I ain't gonna keep him though. I think he's a keeper, but something is wrong with him. Get you some of that.
Thought I was hung up.
Don's a crab catching rascal today. Don T, number 3 on the crab catching. Folks, I caught something. I don't even know what it is.
It's a needle nose.
A needle nose. What is a needle nose?
That right there.
Got teeth? Does it have teeth?
Yeah, got teeth.
I've never caught a needle nose before. You need to calm down. Put the catfish gripper on you. Huh. Now look at that thing. Caught him in the eyeball. Don caught something. I got him. I got hooked. Oh, yes. Oh, Don won't work the camera for me. I got to work and catch fish.
I got a backlash.
Woohoo! Be a big red. Oh, don't tell me. Biggest catfish ever.
Oh my gosh.
It ain't a big one, Don.
It's another fish.
Oh, maybe a speck. Oh, it may be a keeper speck. Get in here.
That's definitely a keeper speck.
Did not have my net, man. Would you calm down?
All I need to see right there is a keeper speck. Not quite.
Oh, yes. He makes it.
12,
Woo!
12 and a half.
Son! Hey. I got some meat in the boat. Get you some of that.
Get you some of that.
Oh, it's another nice speck. Woohoo!
Phone call works.
Phone call works every time. You need to settle down. Is he gonna keep Don? I don't think he is.
It's gonna be close.
Me and Don's got 2 keeper fish in the boat. And still no reds.
You on fire.
Same spot, Don, every time.
Right
I just
Get over here.
Hey, this is pretty good, I think. Catfish. Stinking catfish. What's he got?
There he is.
Yep, sure do. It ain't that big, and I saw a minute ago, though. Speck. Woohoo! Got him a speck. Maybe there's another one over there. Need him a little bit bigger, don't we?
Yeah. Got 2 speck, 2 red, and 3 crabs.
Big and Don?
You good cat.
Oh no, not a catfish. Don is the catfish man this weekend. There, I got it. Oh, yow! Son of a gun!
There's a red.
Yes, there's a red. Don's got a good one hooked up, he says. Oh, another catfish.
Until where Terrebones perish. Lake Terrebone.
I've been wearing his butt down a little bit.
Shark capital of the world.
No joke.
It's a nice shark though. Just set it down.
Ooh, don't let him get you, Don. You getting it?
Yep.
Got me a shark in the boat. Got my picture too.
But the pictures you're gonna love.
Oh. Shark, I think, ain't it? Yep. Stinking shark. On a spinning reel. That's what hit your fortune when you go in.
Yeah. Exactly what it was.
They're fun to catch. But it's not what we're after, folks. Thank you, buddy. I'll get him, you go to fishing. Just lay it down right there.
Yeah,
Be
you're
fine.
right. That's probably. You ain't gonna believe this.
What?
He's got 2 hooks in his mouth.
That's he got
This is one
Same.
that broke off. I was wondering when I seen that, I was like,
folks.
that's one that just broke you off.
Yes.
And here's your other leader. Because I was wondering where that other one come from. I was like, man, that's a long leader.
Okay.
what he did to that.
Sure enough.
Look.
Y'all get you some of that. Arr.
Look what he did to that kale hook.
Yep.
Darn, he was tough.
Hey, I guarantee you, I broke off on the first one. He come back, hit your cork, then come back and hit mine
With a hook in his mouth.
with a hook in his
A
mouth.
fresh hook.
He's hungry.